Have you ever wondered what it's like to be in a truck? Where the hell am I? I'm literally lost. I don't know where I am. Yeah. Oh, but look at this. Gates closing. That means there's a train coming. I'm gonna have to find my way back home. So let's see if someone can stop for me. Shall we? I think we found one. Hello? I lost my way, so I'm looking for a ride. Oh, beauty! I found a ride. Yeah, this is what it's like to be in a truck. You get to sit up high and enjoy the ride. One of my mates is driving a truck. His name is Ty. And we're on our way to Griffith to drop off a load. And this guy, man, he works 6 days a week. Man, commitments. Okay, it's a bit cloudy. There's the sun is out, but you know, it's hidden behind these clouds. You know, after a week of hard work, just come out here and have a bit of a scenery. When we get there, we
unload all the supermarket for Coles supermarket.
Yeah.
Take all the 22 pallets off.
Yeah. And
then go and load up. We load Steagall's chicken. It's all delivered, so you can carry on eating tomorrow.
That's it. In every truck company, you always have to wear a vest. And the purpose of this vest is for safety. I don't work for this company, but my mate does, and he offered me to come for a ride. How's it going? So this is what he does every weekend. So that's pretty much all the loads that we need to unload. Ty did a really good job, man. Honestly, he's a hard worker. Good man he is.
All done, mate.
All done? Where are we going now?
We're going to load our Steagall's chicken now.
Oh, sweet. Too easy. Jeez. You make it look easy, man.
Keep the customers happy, mate.
That's it. We're at a place called Henwood Village Store. He's gonna grab some food. Cool, Rich. Be cool.
People are watching. Everyone's watching.
Oh, beautiful.
It's so nice. You got fans.
Oh, thanks. Thank you. Would you like to be in on?
Yeah.
Alright. What's your name?
Oh, no.
Okay. Beautiful. Thanks. Nice to meet you, buddy. See, with that truck over there, that's the bigger version of this one. Right here. So that one, you can just walk around here. That's basically a house right there. So right now, we're just waiting for the chicken to be loaded up. And then after that, away we go. Every now and then we stop, take a break, go to a shop, go to the toilet, grab something to eat, grab something to drink. You used to drive for that truck, eh? Yeah. What's the company called?
Riverina Express.
Riverina. Then again, this is not an advertisement. I'm just saying Riverina is one of the company that you know, that Ty used to work for. I'm not doing any ads whatsoever for any company. I'm just doing vlogging as usual. You know, I'm just here with my my mate Ty, checking out his what he does during the weekend.
That's what I do on the weekends.
That's what he does on the weekend. And back on the road. Woman's toilet. And you got the nobody's toilet. In every stop, if you gotta go, you gotta go. Have you ever come across a situation where, you know, you've been dragged down just because you're surrounded by people in your environment try to let you down every time, and you're trying to achieve something and trying to reach somewhere, and still there's someone or some people around you that try to drag you down. You won't make it. You will fail. You won't make it. No way you'll make it. Me? Do I look like MC Hammer to you? Alright, I thank my man here, Ty, for giving me a ride, for picking me up from my sleep, and yeah, it was a good ride. It was perfect moments, you know. We went over to Grifffield and then now we're back into Sydney, and yeah. Ty, thank you so much. You're the man. All the best to you.
Have a good day.
You too, and some more days to come, we'll do it again.
Yeah, cool.
Ty's the man. Alright, let's go. I'm going. Bye, truck. Good one. Time to go home. Now, where is home? Okay.